Hello everyone, welcome to the KonnectzIT platform. So continuing to talk about the number formatter as we did in our last video, we are going to see another function of number formatter which is called format the number. Herein we are going to use two applications to display how exactly a number formatter works. The first one is going to be Jotform, wherein I've created a form already here as you can see. So you can basically create your own forms by clicking here. This is going to be a trigger, and the action for us where we'll be displaying the results will be Google Sheet. So we are going to integrate these two applications using KonnectzIT and with the number formatter. So since Jotform is basically a webbook application, we needn't have to authorize it. So we can directly go and authorize the Google Sheets that we have over here. So here I'm just going to click on add an account. So basically Google Sheets will ask a few permissions. It needs an OAuth-based configuration. So the moment I give those permissions to the Google Sheet, the authorization of the Google Sheets will be finished. So first of all, I have to choose the appropriate account here. And now I just have to say continue. So yes, the authorization of Google Sheet is finished now. Now it's a perfect time to click on Create Connect, which will take us to the Visual Flow Builder, where we'll be working on our Connect here. So here basically we can name our connect. So my trigger is going to be Jotform. Then we have the number formatter here. And the action for us will be Google Sheets. So first of all, I'm just going to drag and drop the trigger, which is Jotform. So it's a webbook application as I've mentioned before. So we have to copy this URL and we have to follow the instructions which are given over here. So since now I have copied the webhook URL, so I'll go to the respective form that I have. I'm going to edit the form. So before that, I'll just show you how exactly the form looks like. So this is the form that we have over here. So right now I'll just go to the settings, then to the integration section. And here I have to go to the webbook and edit the integration here. So this is where I'll be placing the webbook URL and completing the integration. So yes, I have successfully finished the integration over here. Now I just have to go and publish the form. So I'll open it in a new tab. So basically for this webhook application to capture the response, I have to click here and I have to fill the respective form for Jotform to basically capture the response here. So I'll go back here and fill the form. So this is going to be just random number that I'm going to type to show you the application of the number formatter. So yes, I've submitted the form. Now we have to wait for it to capture response over here. So till then so we have, as you can see, we have got the output here at the Jotform. So now at the number formatter, we have four options here. So we have finished talking about format the phone number. The next one that we are going to take up in this video is format the number here. So here for the input decimal marks, we actually have two parameters here. The first one is comma, the second one is period. The difference between them is just the country standards that we take in. So to actually show, I've just taken it as comma. And now we are just going to choose the format. So here we have got four formats, the comma for grouping and the period for decimal. Like that we have four. I'm just going to choose one out of them. So this is just basically for the grouping and the decimal area. So right now I want to convert this particular thing that I have salary. I want to get as commas in the number formatter. So I'm just going to choose this particular format here. I'm going to map the fields. And now it's just that I have to type in here @ and it's very simple. I just have to validate the number formatter now. So yes, we have validated the number formatter successfully. So now I'm going to drag and drop the Google Sheets here. So this is the Google Sheet. First of all, we have to choose the appropriate account. And then the action that we have to perform here, which is definitely going to be create a spreadsheet row. Then I have to choose the respective spreadsheet that I have and also the sheet. So since now we have got these parameters, now we just have to map the required fields. So firstly, I have to map the name. Then I've got the email ID. Then here at the attributes also, I'm going to get the phone number. And finally, the salary that we have to mention here. So now I've clicked on test and review there. So yes, as you can see, the data has been sent successfully to the Google Sheet. Now we'll just go and publish the Connect. So yes, we have successfully published our Connect also. So it's going to display over here in a while. So yes, this is the Connect that we have. So now we'll just go to the Google Sheets and show you how exactly the output looks like. So yes, as you can see, we had entered some random number here, but now we have got a comma separated value over here. So that's how exactly the number formatter works. We are just going to test this particular Connect again by filling the form once again here. So I'll just fill it once again with a different name. So this time I've given it as a even more bigger number, which can help us to see the difference. So now, so yes, as you can see, we have got the comma separated value here, which makes it easy to understand the numbers that we've put in. So that's how exactly we can use the format number function inside the number formatter. Thank you so much.